As we know, primates inclined to repeat each another. This is a study process. All our school system is built on this process. We're going to repeat each another. Yes, we can read books, but we need this spark of curiosity from another person. Patrick's garage. And thing is, you realize that this is possible for one person probably, and more obviously it will be possible for you. You can observe how this guy repairing the car, maybe you're going to watch these videos. Maybe you're going to observe person, your neighbor. Now you observe as a similar car can be restored by another person. This is similar person, and this person can repair this car. Probably you can repair this car. But where we can find this spark of curiosity, this fire of desire to do this thing. We can observe, and this is spark. You want to receive this spark from mechanics, probably from skilled person who has experience, who restored this car before you, and you're going to observe. This is, like fire of Olympic Games, and you want to receive this spark to continue this inspiration, and you can receive this inspiration online. In our day, this is great opportunity for car restoration to receive this desire. And I learned a lot from guys which they were restore their cars online, body work, but in mechanical, brakes, repair brakes, I was familiar with mechanic, which he teaches me a lot of things which related with brakes. And now I'm started from brakes, and then also on my old job, my co-workers, electrician guy, he teached. I just asked, can you help me with my car? And he gladly helped me, and I observed how he repaired my car, this electricity. Relay. He restored this tricky relay, Volvo 140 series, Volvo 240 series, this relay to shift the light, a main beam, And he restored this relay, and I'm observed that there is no difficulties, and I can do this by my own hands, and I was so happy that nothing difficulties. But we can't compare modern cars with old cars, because old cars, especially from 60s, they were simple, and this is a spark, this curiosity you can receive from previous generation, and it explains that my father, we bought the car from 60s. In 80s we bought, it was relatively old car, rotten of course, and I observed with which inspiration he restored his first car from 60s. Really hard to find good specialists, and during my car restoration journey I was familiar with guys which were able to repair old cars, and I also remember was occasionally that we meet one person. He was familiar with old contact breaker system, ignition system, and he adjusted my car, and I remember it was big difference, but he worked decades by car repair guy. Probably this is hard to adjust ignition without these fancy tools. I'm using this tool, which I use this light stroboscopic light to adjust my oven ignition Bosch ignition system. Yes, you can adjust with special fancy tools, but you should have a really great experience to adjust ignition without any tools. Like now in modern cars it's impossible to repair them without this fancy tool, even for experienced mechanics. But with simple old system, this is ignition, mechanical ignition, a fuel system, it's possible to work without fancy tools. And of course I'm familiar with mechanics and they always curious how it's going on with my cars. And I also learned a lot from these guys, little by little and this not so fast repair process, so I learned from them a lot about how to repair engine, which attitude, main thing, attitude, with which attitude you want to approach to car. And I think if this guy can repair, why I cannot repair my oven car. It's more easy to repair one car rather than mechanics. They are able to repair several brands, they should be familiar with a lot of car design. They all different, especially today, a lot of design of cars and this varies, but they familiar this way for living for them, and there is no reason to go deeper to your modern car to learn all these things which stuffed modern cars stuffed with this electronic. Only one reason to learn all these things if you want to work as a mechanic. But with simple car average Joe really able to repair and restore oven car. No, not so complex like modern car, but yes, probably welding. And modern cars, they suffer from rust, And I also learned online, I'm welded, I'm restored flow, members, longerons, flow, I'm replaced on my oven car. And thanks for student books for welding, I bought especially for these student books to learn how to weld the car, because it's not so easy, a lot of pitfalls which can be during this welding journey. Why I'm talking about this? Because I remember it was so difficult for me to find information about classic cars. It was impossible to find mechanics which will be familiar with these cars, because a lot of modern cars everywhere, so will be better to share this information with another guys, and it's really helpful for me when another guys, they prefer to share their thoughts in comments. Thank you for this. I'm really glad to read your comments with great advices how to repair these things and other things, and we want to share to help each other. We inclined to repeat each other, so we want to share each other how we are going to solve these conundrums, all these difficulties, how we go through them, and we want to share in social media to help each other, and especially by models, because all cars, as I said before, they're all different, and will be better to share this knowledge about particular models. So because of that, I decided to share with guys my experience about Volvos, because I remember it was difficult, but I found a lot of books on eBay about Volvo 140 series, especially my favorite, so I learned a lot of things about this car. I'll catch you in the next one on Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern Time, 8 a.m. Pacific Time. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.